And the second thing here is taking partials. Now, you shouldn't be allowing your trade to run for the whole day. What you want to be doing is taking partials. If you're a day trader, you want to close the entire trade, but if you're a swing trader, you want to allow it to run. But I still here to advise trader to take partials from that trade and also protect your trade. Now, what I mean by protecting your trade, let's say you take an entry in a trade and the market move in your favor. You want to move your stop loss from where it is, where you place the risk, and actually take it below where you enter the market. Because why? When the market reverses back and hits your stop loss, you're not losing out anything. And don't forget, you've also taken partials out from that trade. That's the strategy I always use, and it works for me 95% of the time. And the third one is diversifying your trades. You don't want to place a single entry in the trade and want to be losing out. So what you want to do is place a different entry, Euro USD for an example, odd USD and GBP JPY. That gives you enablement to what